Alright, we're doing a little bit of grilling for Father's Day. To all the fathers out there, hunting, cooking for your family. However you guys are hunting or spending your day. Happy Father's Day, guys. Have fun on this Sunday. What? Damn! Mind you. Okay, so I am going to cook Jamaican or Cuban beef stew, and let's see what comes out of it. I'm gonna put a California red wine. So we'll see. Experiment time. We are decided to make a Jamaican oxtail stew. Let's see what's gonna come out of this experimentation. Sauteing yellow and red pepper and onion for the Jamaican stew, oxtail stew. Okay, my Jamaican stew with red wine. I don't have time. So we're supposed to bake this, but we'll see what happens. I don't know what it tastes like. Alright, here's your Jamaican beef stew. I wonder what it tastes like. Syrup. I don't have a rosemary, so I added green onion as my substitute. Let's see what it tastes like. My version of Jamaican oxtail stew. Smells good. Syrup.
Okay, we're gonna open this. Put that in here. Ooh, I wonder what this is. I totally wonder.
Oh, be careful. Oh, careful. Be careful, you might stab your hand. Oh, that's enough. Good night.
Oh! Oh my
gosh. Oh, why is it so big?
gosh.
Oh, hold it. I'm gonna show a picture of mommy. Hold it. I'm gonna show a picture. Remove it from the plastic.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, don't remove it. Just remove it from the plastic.
Yo. That is
You see?
insane.
Hold it in your front of you.
Oh my.
We're gonna open a PS4 Street Fighter Collector Edition. My son wants to really open this box, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. All right, go ahead. Oops. Other way. No. Open it. No, wait. Look it up. No, flip it. Open it. Do not just.
129 bucks.
Okay, see if there's a seal.
Wait, there's a seal. It costs a lot of money. Huh? Wait. Wrong.
Oh, are you sure you're doing it correctly?
Wala na. Already ripped the back.
Nico, I am. Oh yeah. Oh no.
Oh no.
Ay.
I don't know.
No. That's not how you do it.
Open it. Okay.
Oh, hold it, Nico.
See this one? You unhook this.
I had to unhook.
Yun. Tingnan mo pagkakaiba.
Oh wow.
Box within a box.
A bucket of. Yo.
So what do we have? Let's see.
Oh, we have the full stickers.
Stickers.
And we have the full game.
Oh, PS4. Oh, okay, PS4. The game is just this much, and then what else is inside?
Well, they have a box.
What is this?
These are color.
Comics, cheat code.
Oh no! It's a fan. It's a fan art or something.
It's a fan art. Let's look. Let's look. Wait.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Wait.
Huh?
Oh.
We have figures.
There's action figures. That's why it's so big. Oh. That's why.
Is there anything else behind?
No, that's it.
No, it said they have.
It's a statue.
Oh, the statue?
It's not even. It's a statue.
It's a statue. Oh, it looks pretty cool.
Let's see. Parade. Oh man, it doesn't even have the extremities. I don't think you can move it. It's just a statue.
It's just a
Oh, the
statue, but it's so good.
you can't even move it.
Full game, figure, your Ramad board.
What is this? Wonderful. Two.
May sticker. Set of sticker.
Stickers. And what's this guy?
Wait, where's the game? Where's the game?
It's right there. It fell off.
Oh, here is the game. Wait, Dylan. Here's the game.
No wonder it's so bulky.
Di ba nga,
It has the statue.
Yeah, I can-
This is what it contains. 2 statues. And I thought it was an action figure.
I got it.
Collector's
I
edition.
got it. Go Dylan.
Wow. Stickers. Mad
Same
Gearbox.
thing as the cover.
Alright.
Dad, can I play it?
Okay, so we have another box to open from Lava Diecast. And this particular one, I have been curious to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and look at it closely and review it. So here we go. Oh no, this is this one came from, my bad. Where'd that? Oh, StockX. I thought I had this. Jeez, forgot about this guy. It's I got this from StockX, and I thought it was a good price to have. Let's see. It's a Nissan Skyline RLC. Ooh, it's a purple. At the time that I got this, I thought I never got it. But it's an RLC. Ooh, you got a soft corners. I was thinking of maybe doing it as a trade bait and see what I can get for this. And there you have it. Nissan Skyline GTR R34 RLC. Let's see, what year was this? This is, man, my eyes is getting very, very, where can you find the year this thing was? 2021, there you go. So this was 5 years ago when it got first release. So yeah, I had to get this one. I haven't seen this as part of my collection. Alright, I thought it was what I was looking for. I guess not. I'll show the other one. I'll show you what I got next after this. So in this session, on our previous video, we said that when we saw this on the pegs, we were gonna save it and open it, and then we got a discount on this that's allowable. So they gave us a 10% because it's already open. So let's go ahead and crack it open. It's always nice. I really can't, you know, the temptation of opening up a already cracked up card is something that I always wanted to do. So whenever I see cracked card, I need to get it and crack it open so I can show it to you guys. And this green is, this pink, the pink slips is a pretty cool Beamer. It's a 2025 M3. Has opening doors. It's a left-hand drive. Let's see, what information are we going to get from this? Let's see. For made in what? Is it made in Germany? But no, made in Thailand. M3, there's no information on the casting. It's Rubbermaid, spins, no plate number, but the paint is really good though. I don't see this on the, it's not a peg warmer, that's for sure. When you do see this on the pegs, it's always gone. That's why I was surprised to see that it was slightly cracked open and nobody bought it. And then it came with this tin can storage for you to put in, oops, the car. So it's a nice addition to our collection. So yeah, so that's why we picked it up. So it's a nice casting, that's for sure. Looking at the package inside, you won't appreciate the paint, but once you get it out of the box and card, it's shiny. I don't see any flaws. You got a smoke brake light. Maybe it's the rims, I don't know. Maybe the rims just needs to be updated. There you have it. Okay, so we have another box that we need to open, and I'm excited about this because I have been seeing this on certain online store, and I was curious on what it looks like. So let's go ahead and crack it open so we can both check it out. Comment below what you guys think. There you go. Let's see what you guys think about it. And ta-da! A custom Chevy Silverado Gold. I mean, the card is, what can I say? Very shiny. And it is, let's get rid of this one. And it's well protected. I got this from Lava Diecast, and it's their first custom gold 83 Silverado. Wow, the sticker is very, it must have gotten very hot inside the box. So this thing is sticking really well. Let's do that. And there you have it. It's not it looks like it's done well. Let's look at this. Let's look at the bottom. So it does say 83 Silverado. I wonder if, I mean, just looking at it, it's the same paint scheme as your premium Hot Wheels Gold Chase. If you can take a look at this and the way this thing was made, you would think that it's legit, right? Except for the back, of course. I mean, just look at that. You know this thing is really custom made when you have a very glossy art card. And mind you though, the paint, if you look at the paint, wow, it is nice. Question is, I mean, I don't think the base is the base is plastic though, which I think it's, you know, it's considering that it is not metal, I would assume that this is a rubber tire just by looking at it. I mean, I want to crack it open just to see what it looks like out of the card, but it's, I don't know. Should we let it stay in the box? It's so nice to let it be out of the box. I mean, this is not one of those things you can see out in the wild. It's a specialty custom gold chase from this, what is the name of this group? It is Shuttle Group, and they are based in New York. So let me know what your thoughts are on this custom gold chase based on what you've seen so far. I mean, it's nice though. It looks like it's AI generated. Let's see. Wow. What is this? 10 car. I mean, just the back of it is nice. You can tell it's AI generated image. Look at the back. Mount Fuji, is this Mount Fuji? It's hard to, yeah, and just look at that. See? Similar bottom. I mean, it's just impeccable. I mean, we're gonna, I'm gonna start protecting this. Give me a sec. So let's get a, we need to protect this and see if it fits. Huh. Well, there's your gold chase. Chevy 83 Silverado. Comment below. Share your thoughts on this. Like, subscribe, and comment.